So yeah, I'm gonna continue servicing and replacing. Well, we have behind there, we have a heating element. We're gonna replace that here shortly. Got a bunch of the kit came with all kinds of little sensors, and I guess I'll be replacing those too, since we got it torn apart like that. Yeah, real simple stuff, I guess, sort of, depending on, oh Lord, we just getting all kinds of stuff out everywhere. Yep. Woo! Take that, put that over there. All right. Now, I'm gonna go down through here. Pull all that lint, all that dust, all that crap all out of there that I can get to. Hopefully it will act right. Whoa, Lord, look at that. Yep. Here's a how-to video. Yeah. Let's get all that stuff out. That stuff just keeps falling off of there. Heck. Well, this is fun. Like, what else is in there? I'm surprised that thing even turns. Yeah. Well, look at that. Not paying no attention to what I'm doing, but hey, what else we got in there? Oh, that's just every which way we turn. Yeah. Well, I hope this helps somebody out. I hope it was a little bit funny. Man. Oof. Like a little rat every time I turn my dang way. What was that? Lord knows what is that. It's part of the dang motors. I don't know what that is. Try to find it. I was looking for that. Hey. Oh. Looks like I lost a tool. Huh. Hey. Or rounded one off or something. Or somebody lost one. It might have been there since we got it. Well, that might be a new fan. You never know. But I'm going to go down through here, continue scraping these little rats off, or little mice off of the, what looks like little mice. Off of the fan, which should be putting the air through there. Good Lord. It's amazing. This thing, I don't think this thing's that old. But I continue to go down through here and scrape the little mice looking things off of the fan, so maybe it can blow my heated air through there. Still continue getting these. I've half of mine turn this thing on. Can't believe. Mama! Corbin's hungry, I believe. A little baby in there. He's got quite a set of lungs on him. Mom's in there cleaning up. Yeah. So, to the point. Well, I'm gonna go get a vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna suck all this stuff out right here, and I will be back for the rest of it. Bye.